Addition of fractions. Introduction. The title Addition of Fractions is displayed with three different example categories side by side. 1. The numerators and denominators are equal, 3 upon 5 plus 3 upon 5. 2. The numerators are equal, but the denominators are different, 3 upon 4 plus 3 upon 5. 3. Both the numerators and denominators are different, 3 upon 4 plus 4 upon 5. When adding fractions, you will typically run into three common scenarios. First, where the numerators and denominators are exactly the same. Second, where the numerators are equal, but the denominators differ. And third, where both the numerators and denominators are completely different. Let's look at how to solve each one. Part 1, like denominators. For our first case, when fractions share the same denominator, adding them is straightforward. Keep the denominator exactly as it is, in this case, 5. Then, simply add the numerators together. 3 plus 3 gives us 6, giving us a final answer of 6/5. Part 2, different denominators, same numerators. Now for the second case, the numerators are identical, but the denominators are different. To solve this, find a common denominator by multiplying the two bottom numbers. 4 times 5 gives us 20. Next, cross-multiply. 3 times 5 equals 15, and 3 times 4 equals 12. Add 15 and 12 together, and we get 27 over 20. Part 3, different denominators and numerators. Finally, what if both the numerators and denominators are completely different? We use the exact same cross-multiplication method. Multiply the denominators, 4 times 5 is 20. Then cross-multiply the diagonals, 3 times 5 gives us 15, and 4 times 4 gives us 16. Add 15 plus 16, and your final result is 31 over 20.